Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that's by a brand called Fairywill. And pretty much what it is an electrical rechargeable wireless toothbrush you guys can use that's very similar to like the Sonic toothbrush. And it actually works really well, but the only way for us to find out whether or not it actually works is to test it out. But before we do, I want to actually open up and show you guys what comes inside the package first. So let's do that first. So when you first open the package, you guys can see there's some like instruction guide and thank you card inside. And then they provide you like the charger, the device, and then the tips. So let me show you each one individually first. So first one I'm going to show you is the actual charger right here. You guys can see it's actually labeled. You guys can see the charger. So it pretty much uses USB to charge the product, and then it's actually a charging dock. Next up, we have the actual toothbrush itself right here. You guys can see that's what the product looks like. There's a power button. You guys can hear how powerful it is. So right here we have the little logo Fairywill. Right here is the power on and off, so it actually let you know which one is actually on. There's M, S, and C modes on each one. And right here is the battery level. It's letting you guys know if it needs to be charged or where the level is. This is a little tip where you guys actually will plug in the tip of the toothbrush. And the bottom part is where we actually plug in to actually charge the product wirelessly. And then last but not least, they provide you 2 of these toothbrush tips. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So these are brand new ones. You guys can see it's actually all wrapped up. So we're going to open the one of the case first to show you guys what it looks like and how well it performs. And then if you guys stick this part in right here. So that's in, and then let's see how well it performs. So when I put my hand right here, it actually vibrates really strong, but if you guys look really carefully, it's actually vibrating really fast. So it's not moving now, but if you guys look carefully, it actually works really well. So I'm gonna give it a try to see when I actually waterproof and how well it works first, and then come back and talk about the product. Alright, so here we have the product by Fairywill. We're gonna test it out to see whether or not it's actually waterproof. Alright, so you can see the product is pretty waterproof. Works really well still, even when you guys put it in water. So just to kind of show you guys how the toothbrush actually works and how well it works, let's give you guys an example. So you guys don't actually have to brush it too hard. It actually brushes really nice because of the vibration that's on the actual toothbrush itself. Alright, so here we have the product. We're going to plug it in now and see whether or not it actually works. So the moment you actually put this on, you guys can see the blue light comes on. That's how you know it actually is charging. So if you guys don't see this light on, that means it's not actually charging. So if I remove it, it turns off. If I put it back on, it's charging. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the test of the product. You guys can see that it is waterproof and actually charges quite well. And when you guys actually brush with this toothbrush, it actually brushes really well because of the fact that there's so much vibration and so much pressure going on using this toothbrush that actually cleans everything really well. And you guys actually don't need to put a lot of toothpaste on there because of how well it vibrates. So just put a little bit and it cleans it really well. Go make sure to clean every single part, up, down, in the middle, inside, everything, and you guys will be fine. So some of the cool thing about this product is the fact that it's waterproof. If you guys saw in the test, it has overcurrent protection, which is really cool because you don't want it to explode. And then probably one of the coolest thing about this is the fact that all you need to do is actually charge it for 6 hours, and you guys can use it for 1 whole month. 6 hours for 1 whole month. That is really nice. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it. So for this product in particular, it costs around $29.99, which is around $30. And for that price range, would I say that it's actually worth it? I have actually tested other like toothbrushes in the past, and I have to say that this one is one that is actually really worth it because it cleans quite well and actually has a lot of vibration impact to actually clean it correctly and actually clean it well. But for us to actually find out whether or not it's still worth it, I'm going to test it out for a little bit longer, maybe like a month or so, and do an update video then to see whether or not actually it's still worth it and how well it works after like a month or so. Because when you first get a product, it works well obviously, but you actually have to test a little bit longer and then see how well it performs after a long period of time. But as a first hand perspective, I had to say that this product is worth it so far. But other than that, that's pretty much just for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have